and welcome to the Batch Lady, where I show you how to make fast, simple homemade meals that you can make in advance, put in your freezer and use whenever you want. We are making
cheesecake.
Chocolate cheesecake, aren't we? And today we have Zara in the kitchen, the little Batch Lady, and we also have Cece again. Cece was in one of our videos many moons ago when you were little, weren't you? And she's back again for another one. This is a fab one if you want to do a Mother's Day dessert. You can make it anytime you want. It's going to take about 10 minutes. It's got 3 ingredients and you put it in the freezer and you use it whenever you want, okay? So you are going to need, how much was in here? 3.5 cups. Or how many grams did you measure out?
200.
200 grams of Crunchy Nut cornflakes. Cece, how many chocolate spread jars do we need?
2.
2 chocolate spread jars. And you are looking for 360 grams, which is a big family pack of Philadelphia and a half pack of family Philadelphia, okay? Or you can get 2 180 ones, but the family packs are cheaper. And you are looking for a dish like this that has a removable base, okay? Now this makes quite a lot, and you only need a tiny little slither, though these guys would probably have a bit more. So you can make 2 smaller ones if you want. So to start off, you're going to get your Crunchy Nut cornflakes, and you are going to take out half a jar, and Zara, you're going to get mushing, and you're going to mush it all together, and that's going to make the base. Mush. Okay, so we have got Zara. She's just mixing half a jar of the chocolate spread into the Crunchy Nut cornflakes. Can we get to see it, Zara? Let's see. Wow, so it's all coming together. That looks brilliant. Cece, you've taken the rest of the chocolate spread jars and you've put them in the bowl, haven't you? Let's just, is it quite messy?
Yeah.
It's really messy. And now we're going to take the Philadelphia and put it in the bowl and mix the 2 of them together, and that's going to make the topping. So Zara's doing the base and this is doing the topping, isn't it? So you can use that one and put it all in, and I'll get a spoon for this one. Can I give you a hand? Wow, it's all messy, but the good thing is you get to lick your fingers at the ends, don't you?
Yes.
So what you want to do with this, guys, is you want to just fold it in. Okay, you don't want to mix too vigorously, but you want the white to disappear and it just become this sort of light chocolatey. Yeah, light, slightly lighter in chocolate. And this is going to freeze beautifully, and then when you want it, you just take it out 30 minutes before you need it, and then you serve it like that, and it is perfect. You keep giving that a mix. Zara, we're going to pour yours into the base, aren't we? Don't lick the spoon quite yet. That's the only reason my children help, because they're desperate to lick the spoon. All you want to do is mix it all the way, lay it all the way on your base, and you want there to be no holes in it. So just go all the way around and give it a little pad out. Thank you, Zara. Good hand. You're funny. Make sure there's no holes. Why don't we want any holes, girls?
Because nobody wants a piece of cake with less of the stuff that's in it.
Exactly. You want all the stuff on the top, don't you? And that will set really quickly. Literally really quickly. Right, you've done brilliantly. Okay, Cece. So what we're going to do next, I mean, this is the easiest cheesecake ever, isn't it, girls?
Yes.
Look at that. Now, guys, this is going to make 12, so you could make 2 small ones because they can be in the freezer. But we're having lots of people for Mother's Day lunch, aren't we, tomorrow? So we are just going to make a big one. Right. All you do is spread the topping along the base, being careful not to lift the base up. If you want, you can leave the base to set for about 10 minutes before you put the topping on. Makes it a bit easier. And you just smooth it around. And then that is going in the freezer, isn't it, girls? It has to go in the freezer for 24 hours, guys. 24 hours before you can actually eat it, which is why we're making it today. And we're just going round. You can get the kids to decorate it if you want, but it is the most chocolatest dessert. We love it in our house, don't we? Is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Who's going to lick the spoon? Guys, thanks for watching. This is chocolate cheesecake with my 2 little helpers, Zara and Cece. Bye!